Thought I'd have you join me today for all my chicken chores. Let's release the Kraken chickens. We'll let them go into the garden. Actually, I do want to get a hold of Big Chicken though in the back. Come on, girls, you can come out. Because I want to spray her down with the spray because her skin is exposed. She doesn't like, oh, she's gonna go hide. Alright, let me show you what I do for the normal food and water. This is their heated water right here. So it's on the heated base. I have a protection right there for the wind. And dump some dirty water out. Oops. Okay, so we start fresh. I usually just bring watering can buckets and fill this up. I haven't had any freezing with the base setup that I have right here. It is important to have fresh water for your chickens. There we go. Now I just put a bubble wrap and some protector on this, which the protectors come off, but the bubble wrap helps maintain some of the heat. This is just the heater right here. I have it on a base, so it's not directly on the ground. And then this just slides over the top and locks. And that provides them with plenty of fresh water. And then the food I keep under here. And you always have to clean the leftovers from around the base. But the food's actually still full. I just filled it yesterday. They really didn't eat much. You guys want your treats, don't you? So I normally just bring a bucket and I do a top off of the food like that. And what's nice is when you put it under here, under their house, and I have 2 bricks under there, it stays dry. And they have a safe place to eat out of the weather. It's funny, they found the food bucket. That's going in, that's our food waste that we collect in a bucket right on top of our garbage can. And some of them are having a quick snack even before they're gonna get some grub terra here. You like that sweet potato? Oh, and some rice, man. Oh, the cat's out chasing them. Louie, what are you doing? You can't chase these. Now, normally in the garden, they would not be out and about because they can wreak havoc on your plants. They will eat all of your plants. So if you have newly planted plants, you do not want your chickens running around. They will eat them on you. All right, let's do some egg harvesting next. Now, what's nice is I keep this bucket out here where I keep the grubs. Oh, you guys just knocked over that container? Bad chickens, bad. Man. Fine, we'll just pick this up and throw it back in and then they'll eat this. You can't feed your chickens avocados, but they can eat grapes. Let's put that over here. Bad chickens. All right. So I just have a latch right here to make it difficult to open, of course, right? Let's see how we did today. And I had 2 that I grabbed last night, so we only got 2 right now. And it is the lower production time. And you see this gets pretty messy. I'm going to scrape all that out, and we're going to do a coop cleaning today also. All right, let me show you what I do for my coop cleaning. Little cold honeybee right here. They were out and about last night. like to do is just take a bucket and a rake. You just scrape it out. Got a small scoop for in here, so I can get all this filled out too. And then I use this to scrape out the inside of the bucket. And then I'm going to recycle this material for my garden. This is all compost. And you don't have to get it all, but simple as that. And we'll put some fresh shavings down. And I just use the regular pine shavings from Tractor Supply. And I really only have to clean the pen chicken house like once a week. Once on the weekend. They get new shavings. One bag usually lasts me about 3 weeks for bedding changing. And I also use it in here for the nesting boxes. And the bedding goes into my compost pile. Coming back out. Alright, let's button this up now that that chore's done. Time to call them in with the grub terra. They know it's treat time, so they're already starting to come back. Let's crack open some grub terra, see if we can get the last ones in. Come on, chickens!